के ध्यान सपनों की उड़ान।
Hello kids, I am your friend Manu and today's story is about the bear and two best friends who were walking a lonely and dangerous path through the jungle. As the sun began to set, they grew afraid but held on to each other. Suddenly, they saw a bear in their path. One of the boys ran to the nearest tree and climbed it within a jiffy. The other boy did not know how to climb trees by himself, so he lay on the ground pretending to be dead. The bear approached the boy on the ground and sniffed around his head. After appearing to whisper something in the boy's ear, the bear went on its way. The boy on the tree climbed down and asked his friend what the bear had whispered in his ear. He replied, "Do not trust friends who do not care for you." So dear kids, we all have a lot of friends, but our true friends are the only ones who help us when we are in trouble. Treasure those friends and love them the most because a friend in need is a friend indeed.